Hi everyone, so I started to make my weekly face mask. Here it's a super antioxidant face mask and I decided to make a video about it. So here are my ingredients. This is matcha green tea. This is super antioxidant for your skin and also to drink, but it's very expensive, so I'm only using about a quarter teaspoon of this, and it has, like I said, anti-aging properties and skin lightening properties. So if you have any problems with like dark spots or blemishes on your skin from acne or like from sun damage or melasma, then definitely invest in matcha tea to make your face masks or face packs. These are pretty expensive. This is $33 for this pack, but I drink this, so I use it for that and also for beauty purposes. So the next ingredient is green tea extract. This is super concentrated, so it's pretty sticky and it has a dark tint to it, as you can see. I've added 5 dropperfuls of this, and this is also very good for your skin. It has super antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used as a sunscreen. It protects your skin from sun ray or from UV rays, anti-aging properties, and gives you a youthful glow. So as you can see, it has a dark tint to it, so you can add a little bit of any other kind of face oil with it to kind of like water it down. And it does have like a stickiness to it, so maybe if you want to use more at night than you would in the daytime. But it's an excellent anti-aging ingredient to add to your skincare routine. So I have that in here. And the next ingredient is turmeric powder. But what I'm going to use is the pill form because it's also very concentrated. The powder, I don't feel like it's as potent as the pills here. So I have a little pill here which I have poked a little hole in. You have to be very careful because this stuff it really colors your skin or dyes your clothing. So I'm just going to squeeze this into my bowl. And this stuff will make your face yellow, greenish yellow, but if you use it once a week, it's definitely worth it. You will see a youthful glow to your skin and it will help lighten your skin. So these are very potent ingredients that I'm using here. So as you can see, it made my fingers all yellow. So be very careful with this. Wear like an old t-shirt when you're making this mask. The next ingredient is black seed oil, which is again a super anti-aging ingredient that you can add to your face pack or to your beauty routine. You can use this by itself. It has an odor, so I would say probably use it at night or in the day if you're not going anywhere. But it helps to lighten your skin and prevent wrinkles. So I'm going to add about a quarter teaspoon of that in there. Now I'm using a chopstick. I don't want to use anything metal to stir my ingredients because, I don't know, there could be some kind of like reaction with the ingredients and the metal. So I'm just using a wooden chopstick, or you can use a wooden spoon, and just make sure everything is blended well. I use this about twice a week. You can use this once a week if it seems like it's too messy. So back to the ingredients. So this is the color. It doesn't look very nice, but it's definitely worth using at least twice a week. Your skin will be beautiful and youthful, and your dark spots will start to disappear, and it will prevent your skin from aging. So the matcha green tea that I've added to my face pack is loaded with chlorophyll, and chlorophyll protects your skin from the sun and is a great anti-ager. It also has a way of rejuvenating your skin. From the research that I've done, this is what I've read. So this is a great thing to use on your skin and to drink as well. So green tea extract not only acts as an anti-ager, but it also protects your skin from the sun and can prevent skin cancer. There have been some studies done that people who used green tea extract on their face have actually seen skin cancer lesions disappear or pretty much go away. So I would suggest using this if you're out in the sun a lot and you don't use sunscreen, or if you're wary of sunscreen with the ingredients that it has. But like I said, it does have a sticky consistency and a dark color, so but there's ways to work around that. So, but it's definitely worth it to use on your skin. And of course, we know that turmeric is very good for your skin and it's anti-inflammatory. It has skin-lightening properties which help with dark spots and melasma, those kind of things that women go through if they're during pregnancy, melasma or dark spots, or from being in the sun you get freckles, or if you've had acne, things like that. And besides that, it has an anti-aging, antibacterial benefits to it. Of course, black seed oil is also great for your skin. It has anti-aging properties, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it helps to soften your skin very well. I love to use this on my skin if I run out of other oils, or just if I'm having problems with like freckles or things like that, because my skin is very light and I have tendency to get dark spots in the sun. So try this out. And I would say use it twice a week, more if you can, if you're willing to deal with the messy color. And really, what I do to get this off my skin is I just use some oil, any kind of oil, on a wet rag, and it comes off very, very easily. So you just have to make sure that you stir it before you put it on your skin, and it's well worth it to give it a try. It's great for your skin and has excellent anti-aging properties. So give this a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.